Welcome to Palladio University. Today I'm going to teach you how to use the Palladio liquid eyeshadows. The long-wearing formula is water-based and infused with aloe, vitamins A and B. They come in 6 different shades, all with a metallic finish that lasts all day. On Taylor, we're going to create a bronzy eye look. When using this formula, there's no need to use a primer underneath. First, we're going to use the shade Tiger Eye. Glide the wand applicator from the inner corner to the outer corner, all over the lid, up to the crease. Then, using a small eyeshadow brush, blend the product into the crease to soften any edges. Next, with a small flat brush, use a little bit of the same color right below the lower lash line. Next, we are going to use the shade Goldstone. Using the wand, dab the eyeshadow into the inner corner of the eye. Highlighting the inner corner makes the eyes look bigger and brighter. And that's how in a few easy steps you can create a stunning, long-lasting eye look using the Palladio liquid shadows.